Hello and welcome to the Dead Space N7 armor tutorial make. I haven't put a blog out for a while. I had broken my hand, so now today it's been about 2 months and I've got back to making the armor once again, which is behind me. This weekend I've just touched up on the armor itself, dremeling some of the glue that was sticking out from the edges, and just any of the rough edges that are still on the armor itself. And after that I made the Vambrace, and I've still got the other one to make, but the next one should be quite easy as I've already got the template. It's quite small, the Vambrace, as if you look on the picture on the screen, it's not very big itself. You do have an added part to the Vambrace up here, but it's completely disconnected, and I still haven't decided how I'm going to do that. I might have to just glue it to the skin that I'll wear underneath the Vambrace and under the armor, but I'll get to that later. So basically, yeah, this is a A4 paper. Between the red line on both sides, it's basically the width of the Vambrace itself. So if you're making this armor, if you get a A4 paper and you're roughly about 6 foot in height, then it will be the perfect size for your Vambrace between the two red lines on A4 paper. So basically, I've used the same thick, I think it's like 12mm EVA foam, and I've just used a sander Dremel to Dremel it in a nice curve shape, and then around the edges I've just used not so coarse Dremel sander to Dremel off the edges. I have started using this green foam. It's part of a yoga mat that I got for $1 off Trade Me, and or you could probably get it off eBay. I think it's got a nice texture for the armor that I'm trying to make, which is the N7 armor. I like a mesh texture. So the texture of this foam mat has that mesh texture I'm going to go for, and I'm just going to put Plasti Dip on it when I want to paint it. That will seal it and prime it, and then I'll paint over that. This is the Vambrace and what it looks like on. So basically the system I use to attach the Vambrace, or to click it together, is a Velcro system. I ended up dremeling down the EVA foam on both sides to make it smaller so the Velcro can sit in it, and also on that side. So basically when they meet, it creates like not a complete seamless line, but enough where it doesn't look that bad. The Vambrace has 2 layers, or 2 levels. You got the bottom level, which is the Vambrace itself. It's one complete unit. In the lines here, I've just dremeled down the lines, so it's still one whole unit, still stronger. I haven't like glued the two, say, parts together here. It's one complete unit. If I show you the inside, if it's not too dark, you can see there's well, there's small cuts near the top where I've cut to about here to pull this up, but it's not cut completely through. I've also cut the top part here so I can give it a little bit of a ride. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be making the next Vambrace hopefully tonight, maybe in the next couple of days, so I can get that out of the way and there'll be 2 Vambraces done. If you like what you see, please like at the bottom of the page. Also, if you would like me to answer any questions, please feel free to comment at the bottom of the page as well. I'll be working on this hopefully every weekend until October, when it should be completed and ready for the Armageddon Expo in Auckland, New Zealand. Thank you, and see you on the next blog.